Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the mini challenge. The mini challenge is being hosted by Corie from Crafted by Corie. She asked us all to make miniature displays, decorations, and just small little things that we can put on our trays or tier trays for spring, Easter, and even St. Patrick's Day. So, let's see what I came up with. Let's get started. So, I came up with this idea. Imagine if you were the seamstress to fairies. Yes, those beautiful magical little creatures we all like to talk about. I just would like to make little fairy dresses. Would you mind if I shared with you my fairy dresses? Let's get started so you can make your own too. So we're going to use this flower stem that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this is going to be the basis of my hanger where I can display my dress. Let's get started. Dress. So we're going to use these beautiful blue roses that I had, but I'm going to turn them upside down, and as you can see, they already look like a beautiful blue ballroom dress. Excuse the mess, I'm a messy crafter, what can I say? Now the last thing we're going to add are some wings, and I'm just using some petals from an older broken apart blue rose, but I need to add some sparkle. And what's an easier way to add sparkle than with Mod Podge Sparkle? Let's get sparkly. So I hope you try this at home. I love it. Now for the next miniature craft. Okay guys, so I'm going to make what I like to call a fairy basket, and what I'm going to use are these little seed starter pots. They're really cute, and it's great because they already have the coloring that you want for your basket. It's really adorable, and you can make these also to hold like little jelly beans or little gifts that you want to leave around the house. Instead of putting them in eggs, you can put them in these little mini Easter baskets. These are perfect for tier trays. So I'm going to cover this in burlap. You don't necessarily have to, you can just paint them. But I wanted this to have like a little basket weave look to it. Let me just cut it. And add a pretty little bow, and there you have your little fairy Easter basket. I am loving doing these tiny little mini things. I think I'm hooked, but I'm not done yet. Let's make something else. Yay! I love this little background, and all this is from the Dollar Tree. It's for their fairy garden, but I think for today it's just perfect with all the little fairy things I'm doing. Ooh. Okay, enough playing around. Next, you guys have seen how I have gotten into artwork, right? So why not get a mini easel and one of these samples, and this is Sanita Neutral Vinyl Plank. It's literally a vinyl plank from Home Depot. I love using this thing. It's so cute. It's got like moss on the bottom, and this is from the Dollar Tree, and it's part of their fairy garden setup. And I thought, how cute to do my little crafts here on this platform for today. And you've seen how I've gotten into painting, so I decided, I would love to paint a mini something. But what do I need? A mini easel. That's right. I had this mini easel. I think I got it at Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. But how perfect is this? And couldn't find my canvases. I know I have them, but I didn't want to buy any. But I had this sample from Home Depot, and it's vinyl flooring. It's vinyl plank. but I kind of like it because it's like kind of aged and stuff. So this will be the backdrop to my painting. And so yeah, I'm gonna paint on an easel for you. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I might have to put it down before I put it on the easel, but I'll display it on the easel. So let's get started. I just thought it would be a nice, simple wreath, a flowered wreath. I've done it before in large size. Now let's see if I can do a mini wreath. So just want to do a quick circle. So just, I know where the placement of the items are going to be. And I'm freehanding this circle. I don't know what to say. I'm in love with my minis. It's so funny. I never know what I'm going to do with these challenges, but this one, I think I'm totally in love with my little fairy dress made out of a flower. And this itty bitty little tiny little baby fairy Easter basket is just adorable. And of course, my little mini easel with my little sentiment for spring, bloom where planted. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching my video, and especially I want to thank Corie of Crafted by Corie for being such a lovely hostess and always being such a great source of inspiration and fun and joy. I mean, you really should check out her channel. She is the sweetest. Thanks again, Corie. And thanks to you guys for visiting my channel. I go live 3 nights a week on Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're a fellow crafter and you just want to join along, join me on Friday nights. I have challenges, I have fun, we just chit and chat and get to know each other. So thank you again for stopping by, and please like, share, and subscribe if it's so inclined in your heart. Have a great day, and remember, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and live the adventure. I think I'm living my adventure as a fairy. Love this. Bye.